Hey guys! In this video we are going to checking out the top 5 best mirror dash cam review in 2022. I made this list on my personal opinion and our research. I have a list of them based on their quality, feature, durability, price and more. If you want more information and updated price on the products mentioned, be sure to take the links in the description down below. Also make sure you subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon to stay update latest technology reviews. So let's get started. Number 5. hgduty 466 12-inch mirror dash cam. The hgduty mirror dash cam provide 12-inch touchscreen display with 4K Ultra HD resolution. The high sensitivity sensor, this car camera can perform the higher quality and vivid images and videos. The GPS module of the dual dash camera tracks your vehicle's location, route, speed on each drive, making it reliable evidence in case of accidents. External GPS module. You can also turn off GPS function if you need. Smart rear view angle switch between driving and parking. You could see all further vehicles and objects clearly behind you while real-time driving, and it will lower the rear view angle automatically to give a closer backup image when parking. This 4K mirror dash cam features premium dual Sony sensors in the front and rear cameras for sharp nighttime video quality. It also powered automatic video recording and video file locking when a collision or crash is detected. The sensitivity of the G sensor can be set to different levels. Besides ensures continuous recording without missing a second. Record automatically during vehicle ignition. Switch off automatically with ignition off to get you free from the hands operation. Number 4. Axo 10-inch mirror dash cam. The Axo dash cam provide 10-inch IPS touchscreen display. Easy to set the camera smoothly by your finger. This camera front 1920 by 1080 pixel plus rear 1920 by 1080 pixel resolution, or front and rear 2.5K resolution available. It also front camera lenses with 170-degree large wide angle and rear view camera lenses with 140-degree angle. Good view for reversing. The front and rear camera will automatically start recording when a collision is detected while driving or when the vehicle is parked. The critical video evidence will be lock-saved independently for future investigation. When this feature is turned on, the memory card is full and the oldest video will be overwritten by the newly recorded video. This mirror dash cam features premium dual Sony sensors in the front and rear cameras for sharp nighttime video quality. When the machine is powered normally and the monitoring mode is on, if the vehicle body is bumped, the recorder will start monitoring video, thus protecting your property. Number 3. obpeak H6 12-inch mirror dash cam. The obpeak H6 12-inch large screen, real-time viewing of ultra-high-definition giant screen images. It uses 7 layers of high-quality glass lenses with f1.8 aperture and Sony IMX415 sensor that process frames to deliver images with better clarity and vividness. The GPS module of the dual dash camera tracks your vehicle's location, route, speed on each drive, making it reliable evidence in case of accidents. External GPS module. You can also turn off GPS function if you need. The H6 mirror dash cam uses strong light suppression and HD technology to provide very clear and soft images for drivers at night. It can capture more details whether at night or during the day. The built-in G sensor can detect sudden shakes or collisions while your car is stationary and will automatically start recording to capture any potential incidents. If an emergency video is recorded, the dash cam will notify you through voice alert once it's turned back on. Number 2. janseye 10-inch mirror dash cam. The janseye 2.5D curved glass 10-inch mirror dash cam streaming media full touchscreen dash cam, both 1080 pixel front and 1080 pixel rear camera with a 170-degree wide-angle lens. The camera can comfortably monitor 3 lanes. The camera chip has a built-in night vision processing function, which allows you to record video even in low-light environment. It also protects the high-quality recordings. G sensor of janseye can lock up current DVR recordings during critical moments, like an accident or something like that. automatically overwrites T preview recordings with new files except locked files when T memory card too full. If DVR be shocked by any external forces, like a thief, while parking, its parking mode function will turn on to recording automatically. Number 1. 70mm 9.35-inch mirror dash cam. The 70mm dash cam provide 9.35-inch IPS touchscreen display with 1080 pixel front and rear cameras, wide records double vision live videos without any blind spot. It also app supports both iOS and Android systems, allowing you to download both front and rear cameras videos through Wi-Fi. Also lock emergency video to event file to prevent an overwrite. The front and rear camera will automatically start recording when a collision is detected while driving or when the vehicle is parked. The critical video evidence will be locked saved independently for future investigation. This mirror dash cam features premium dual Sony sensors in the front and rear cameras for sharp nighttime video quality. It also parking mode turned on. It will be automatically start recording when it detects any objects or creatures movement. The video will be locked for safekeeping. It also features instant playback and preview of recorded media.